At this very moment, the cryptocurrency market is gaining momentum. Finally, the future seems bright for Shiba Inus. Anyone with a Shiba Inu interest or SHIB tokens should not miss this video. Is there any new information about Shiba Inu tokens? What impact, if any, will these factors have on the market value of Shibas? Today in the video I will answer these questions and share all the new information that has appeared about Shiba Inus that will enhance their prices. Because I have invested a lot of effort into this film, I would greatly appreciate it if you would watch it all the way to the conclusion. Here at Wealthy Coins we are pleased to provide you with Shiba every day. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news. However, in order to assist us in deciding on a topic, let's first examine the chart and see what happens to the Shiba price on June 10th. The going rate for a Shiba Inu these days is about $1,300. The price of Shiba has increased by 4% with a trading volume of $229 million in just 1 hour. Please note that these rates may have changed by the time you view this video. Nonetheless, the token is now rated as the 21st most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of approximately $7.6 billion. Do not consider this content to be financial advice. Now we may go on to the video for today. Canine Mix Shiba Inu. Warning: $130 trillion in profit prior to significant change. Since the value of the widely used dog money Shiba Inu could rise and fall, 130 trillion SHIB coins are profitable at the current price according to on-chain statistics. Due to the increasing market momentum, investors and traders are keeping a careful eye on SHIB for any major price movements in the near future. At the present price of SHIB, 130.83 trillion tokens, with a value of $1.76 billion, are profitable according to data just published by Into the Block. This could lead to more accumulation or people taking advantage of the situation. At the time of writing, the Shiba Inu saw a 3% increase over the previous 24 hours, reaching 1,300 units. With investor optimism fueled by the Federal Reserve's projected 2 rate cuts in 2025, meme coins and other cryptocurrencies rose to new heights. Shiba Inu has been steadily increasing since May, with the token showing 3 days of growth in a row since then. Its weekly value is now up 3%. While Shiba only marginally encountered profit-taking today, the action yielded peaks of 1,336 units. How the Shiba Inu interacts with the temporary barrier that separates the 1340 units from the 1350 units will determine its next move. If the daily SMA 200 at 1915 units and the daily SMA 50 at 2900 units can be sustained, the Shiba price has a good chance of making a lot of money. The Shiba Inu price is anticipated to find support around 10.2 units if it is rejected at the preset barrier. Meme currencies benefit from a bullish market. Meme coins provide ordinary traders with more risk and more return options due to their high volatility and strong response to broader crypto market developments. This week, the Federal Reserve revised its inflation forecast and reduced its GDP projections, but it maintained plans for 2 rate cuts in 2025 which boosted risk assets. Market confidence has been boosted by this. Several meme currencies have seen substantial weekly increases, putting them in the driver's seat. Meme coins are one example of a higher risk, higher reward alternative that they investigate because they are often less expensive and have the potential to produce rapid rewards in brief amounts of time. When large cryptocurrencies see a pullback, retail traders may interpret this as a sign that the crypto community as a whole is positive. If you are still here, I'd be really grateful if you could simply give this a like. The channel is essentially supported and it doesn't cost anything. But to find out about the latest Shiba Inu updates and the future of the coin, you'll have to keep watching. Can Shiba Inu hit 2,000 units this week after a 20% rally? Shiba Inus appear to be on the mend. It has surpassed Bitcoin on all 3 timeframes, daily, weekly, and 14-day. A 3.3% increase in Shiba's price is visible on daily charts. On the other hand, Bitcoin's performance in the daily, weekly, and 14-day graphs is 1%, 3%, and 4.6% respectively. Bitcoin is starting its recovery phase. It is possible that the cryptocurrency market is beginning to recover. Bitcoin is back above the $108,000 barrier. The Shiba Inu population fell below 1,200 early this month. In the time after, 1,300,000 units of the cryptocurrency with a canine theme were recovered. The market recovery started when the US announced it would reduce tariffs. Everyone in the market was exhausted when the United States imposed tariffs on a number of countries. Investor optimism may have grown when the Federal Reserve halted interest rate hikes. Can Shiba Inus recoup 2,000 units? Shiba might see a rally in the coming week according to CoinCodex. The asset is expected to reach 2,970 units by June 28, according to the platform. A 120.8% increase in price would occur if Shiba were to hit the 2,970 unit mark. The price of SHIB is not going to remain at 2,970 units, according to CoinCodex. The platform expects the asset price to drop shortly after it reaches 2,970. The signs of a market rebound suggest that Shiba may continue to soar without a dip. At the next Federal Reserve meeting, the decision to lower interest rates could cause the price of Shiba to surge even higher. Shiba Inus might not congregate either, but macroeconomic headwinds still offer very challenging hurdles. Also, investor sentiment has not yet turned around due to the present market loss. The main storyline of today's video will now begin. The burn rate in Shiba Inus explodes like never before. Crypto enthusiasts were astounded by the Shiba Inu token's 7.71119% spike in burn rate and 18.6 million coins destroyed in a single day. The SHIB burn rate is really high. The Shiba Inu Bitcoin community was taken aback on Saturday, March 2nd, when the token's burn rate reached previously unseen levels that contradict traditional market predictions. The burn rate reportedly increased by an astounding 771,119% in only one day, according to the verified ShibBurnX account. As a result of this incredible event, 18.6 million Shiba coins were permanently removed from circulation, putting 16,000 Shiba into an unspendable wallet, and then destroying 1,000 Shiba was the largest individual burn transaction. Community speculation and burn data. Curiosity peaked. The Recta Shiba batch falls short of the marked rise in burn rate. Since the Shiba Burn website and their X account did not record this discrepancy, the community has speculated that a larger burn transaction may have occurred. Overall, the Shiba Society has burned 75 million tokens in the past week, while taking the bigger picture into account. Even concurrently, the burn rate has fallen by 86.04%, which further obscures the nature of the most recent burn incident and its effects on Shiba shareholders. High burn rates have the potential to impact the token's market value by reducing its scarcity. Even though the exact effects are still unclear, the community maintains a close watch on these until unprecedented burn operations. The Shiba Inu community remains engaged by tracking these unusual burn patterns and discussing their potential significance on various Bitcoin forums and social media platforms. These rates may have changed by the time you watch this video. Let me warn you, do not consider this content to be financial advice. The faith in the Shiba Inu founders and the true value of SHIB allows many of our members to retain millions. It will be at least 5 years before they sell them. What is the quantity that you are bringing? In the space provided below, please list all of your SHIB assets. We should recognize the SHIB holder for their trust in the system. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe, give us your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments, and give it a big thumbs up. Also, to get notified every time we submit a new video, make sure the post notifications are enabled.